Benidorm at night. Look at that beautiful sky. Mountain over there. Hello! Everybody's mesmerised by that sea is calling you. Look at it, everybody's loving the sea at night. February, Benidorm. Boom, boom. Let's go in a pub and get one, Steve.
Oh, it's freezing, man.
Where's all the action here?
Yeah, down Newtown.
Oh,
That's right over there.
I don't want to go there.
Over there.
I can't be bothered to go there.
No,
Too cold.
too far.
Too far, too cold. Loads of boozers and hotels like on here. We're right, literally next to the sea. It's absolutely stunning though, isn't it?
Oh, shit.
Yeah, it's been a long day. It's been a long day. Long, long day. Long day indeed. So cold. Right, I'm going to end the video.
Shall we go to Tiki Town?
Are we going to Tiki Town?
Oh, we go to Tiki.
It looks like we're going to Tiki Town. Tiki Town, just there.
That's where we
Tiki Town it is. We need to go in there.
in there.
How can we? It's closed.
No, Sunday.
Oh, because it's Sunday, it's closed. Tiki Town. There's nobody in Tiki Town, is there?
It's early, isn't it? It's still early.
There's a boozer down here. It's heaving.
Okay, we'll go for that
Just
one.
go in there, have a couple of pints, get warmed up, eh?
So everyone's inside, that's right.
Oh, that's why, because well, we're on the coast really. Do you want to go in Tiki Town?
Shall we go to Tiki Town?
Let's go and have one drink in Beach Club Tiki Town. Tiki Town it is. Hola.
Hey, take care of your Spanish.
See, I'm off. I'm dancing already. Does it take alcohol for Jackie to dance?
Closing in 20 minutes.
Oh. Unfortunately, Tiki Town's closing in 20 minutes. Could be dancing away out of UB40.
Written by Neil Diamond.
Written by Neil Diamond. There you go.
There you go.
Learn something new every day, darling.
Yeah. I like to throw occasional fact in.
Yeah, the occasional fact, if you know them.
That's not me wrong, but
Wow. Just everything's so bloody big and vast. This sounds like a loony spa.
it's like Liverpool one.
I want to go at the White Lion. It's the White Lion on this street. Jameson's Irish whiskey. 40, 40 and 40. No looting on there, boy. Oh.
That's on Tuesday.
There's no looting on there.
That's on Tuesday. Sunday, that's today.
Yeah.
That one, the dog.
Do you want to go in there?
Yeah, okay, that's
Oh,
it.
we'll just go in here. What's this one called? The Guinness Bar. Well, I think it means the Irish bar. This'll do, aye. Oh, it's nice and warm. Hola.
I've got half for a pint.
Woo!